Consonant phonemes. B as in banana, D as in dinosaur, F as in fish, G as in guitar, H as in hand, J as in jelly, K as in car, L as in leaf, M as in Monday, N as in nail, Ing as in the end of the word sing, P as in pumpkin, R as in rain, S as in sun, J as in the middle of treasure, T as in turtle, V as in volcano, W as in watch, Y as in yo-yo, Z as in zip. Digraphs. Ch as in child, Sh as in shoes, T as in mother, T as in third. Vowel phonemes. As in the first sound in apple, E as in the first sound of elephant, E as in the first sound of igloo, O as in the first sound in octopus, U as in the first sound of umbrella, E as in the middle sound of rain, A as in the final sound of saw, E as in the final sound of tree, I as in the middle sound in light, as in the middle sound of boat, U as in the first sound in uniform, U as in the middle sound in mood, as in the middle sound in book, as in the final sound in cow, Oi as in the final sound in boy. R controlled vowel phonemes. As in the final sound in car. As in the middle sounds of herd, bird, and surf. Air as in the middle sound of chair. Ear as in spear. Or as in the middle sound of fork. Sometimes when a vowel is located in the unstressed syllable of a word, it becomes a schwa. For example, as in the first sound of again.